We didn't do the rebate on the side of these vertical rails, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our vertical rail and highlight it on the activation dot. Then we're going to zoom in a little bit, select that outside face. We're going to click create sketch, capture position. Then we're going to draw a rectangle on this, so from the top point down to anywhere except for the center, so there. Press D for dimension, or select our dimension tool, and it's going to be 19 mil. That's the size of our material. Finish sketch. I'm going to extrude this, so select our profile, and this is the piece we're going to route out. We're going to do it in a piece of 70 by 19, and then like a housing, and then we're going to cut it off later. But for the sake of this, do it this way. So minus 10. So we're going to go about halfway through the material, and we're going to click OK to that, and then we are going to save it. You'll notice that it does it on both sides. So if I come back to my end panel and activate this one, it's on both sides. Now if you don't see it on both sides, or it's come on the opposite side, remember that you can go to this move tool and you can flip your rail over. Now that's not what I expected there. It's because I've got faces selected, so I cancel that. If I just select that one and go to component instead, that should flip it around. So that's what you do if it's back to front.